Hello students, in this video we will see the impact of ICT on governance as well as on business. So let's start. So first of all, what is e-governance? E-government refers to the use of technology like internet, mobile technology by government agencies and departments to deliver public services. In short, we can say to build up the interaction between government and citizens. So let's see some positive impacts of e-governance. It improves the administrative services. The waiting time is reduced. Now people have benefited so many things from the e-governance reduced cost. E-governance has proved successful in keeping some extent of corruption, less corruption. E-governance program increase public participation in various things. You might have noticed students, if you want to change in any you can say Aadhaar card or PAN card or any such kind of governmental services, nowadays we can do such type of things online. So many benefits of ICT on government. Students, obviously technology is benefited to all the mankind, but the to make use of such technology is quite difficult for the people who lived in far away areas. I mean, people who live in rural and remote areas could not benefit from the e-governance because they have the lack of computerization. Now, few things we cannot make it, a part of e-governance because manual methods cannot be avoided. Lack of awareness of e-governance programs also one part in rural areas. Illiteracy, because not all citizens have essential computer skills. Other thing is, user find it difficult to pay online. Okay, even they don't have enough bank branches as well as credit card and debit card information. Some people have they have the slow website review, or you can say they find some unimproved performance of speed and other things. So these are quite issues while we are using such type of technologies. So here we can say these are some negative or not so positive societal impacts of e-governance. The benefits of IT is massively increased in last 30 years in the business environment. So let's check what are the benefits while we are using IT in business. First of all, automation. It increases the speed, volume, less paperwork, less workers, connectivity. Okay students, here we can see with the help of speed, technology, data can be stored, processed and searched extremely fast. Vast quantities of data can be stored in a small amount of space. Paperwork is totally reduced by helping with the help of computers. Workers are limited now, some tasks are done automatically, and connectivity with any location you can connect to the number of people. So these are the very much good impact on the business, you can say, with the help of technology. Nowadays the business are changed to the online mode, that is called e-commerce or electronic commerce. Purchasing, selling and exchanging the goods and services over computer networks. This is the you can say all the transactions or terms of sale are performed electronically. That is a good going e-way, becoming e-business and commerce as a e-commerce. Marketing is also been cheaper way or reaching to the customers with the help of websites is nowadays a good business. Coupled with use of emails, business successfully market their goods and service directly to the customers, as well as communication with the customers is really good with the help of IT. Use of accounting softwares like BZ or Tally or ERP have also been good impact to the to the business area. The result of this has been more for many companies, it is a reduction of their accountancy cost as well as increase in overall productivity and reliability of data. multi-location working is nowadays possible with the help of technologies like internet, webcasting, video conferencing, audio conferencing. Other thing is data anywhere. With the help of cloud computing, you can select and utilize your resources and data all over the globe, anywhere and anytime. Okay. So students, few more advantages or benefits are remaining that we will cover in the next video. Okay.